Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Happy Tuesday for you. How are you today, Karina? And you, Pedro? Are you two okay? Are you ready for our English class? Yeah? Let's start.
Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. I'm tired. I'm hungry. I'm not so good. Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you?
Remember old MacDonald Song? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What is this? A cow! E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here moo, there moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here woof, there woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here meow, there meow, everywhere meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a... What is that? A chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a caw here and a caw there. Here caw, there caw, everywhere caw-ca-dee-caw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O.
And now it's activity time. Can you tell me what sound does the animals make? How does the duck do? What about the pig? Don't forget, make a video and send it to me. I want to see you making the sound of the animals, okay? And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friend. Goodbye, goodbye, I have fun today. I have fun today. Goodbye, guys. Hugs and kisses. Bye-bye.